are you taking stress of any problem, or you take stress of every problem you have? Then my friend, this video can help you to reduce it quickly in simple ways. And you know what cherry on the cake is? These 11 ways work on every human being, and the last one is my favorite every time whenever I feel some stress. So my man, let's reduce some stress. Breathing exercises. Breathing exercises are a powerful tool for releasing stress and promoting relaxation. One effective technique involves focusing on your breath and consciously controlling its rhythm. By taking slow, deep breaths, you activate the body's relaxation response, signaling to your brain that it's safe to unwind. In particular, emphasizing a long exhale can further enhance this calming effect. When you exhale slowly and fully, you activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps counteract the body's stress response. Additionally, incorporating breath holding exercises such as holding your breath for a few seconds between inhales and exhales can further deepen relaxation and promote a sense of calm. Practicing these breathing exercises regularly can empower you to manage stress more effectively and cultivate a great sense of peace and well-being in your daily life. Listening to music, whether it's your favorite tunes or relaxing melodies you find online, is a great way to reduce stress. When we listen to music we enjoy, our brains release happy chemicals that helps us relax. It's like a soothing hug for our mind. Music also helps take our minds off worries so we can focus on feeling good. Whether it's classical music, nature sounds, or your favorite band, just press play and let the music melt away your stress. Go out. Going out and spending time outdoors can significantly reduce stress in simple and easy way. When we step outside, whether it's for a walk in the park or just sitting in the backyard, we breathe in fresh air and soak up sunlight. This helps our bodies release feel good chemicals that lower stress levels and boost our mood. Plus, being in nature allows us to disconnect from everyday worries and connect with the beauty of the world around us. So next time you are feeling stressed, take a moment to go outside and enjoy the natural world. Counting backwards. It's a simple yet effective way to reduce stress. When we count down from a high number to a lower number, it shifts our focus away from stressful thoughts or situations, helping to calm our minds. It's like hitting a mental reset button. This technique activates the brain's prefrontal cortex, which helps regulate emotions and reduce anxiety. Plus, counting backwards requires concentration, which distracts us from negative feelings and encourages relaxation. So the next time you are feeling stressed, try counting from 100 to 0 and feel the tension melt away when you reach at the end. Stretching. When we stretch our muscles, it helps us release tension built up from stress and promotes relaxation. Stretching also increases blood flow to our muscles, which can help us feel more calm and centered. Plus, focusing on your body's movements during stretching can take our minds off worries and brings us into the present moment. Whether it's a few gentle stretches in the morning or a full yoga session, taking time to stretch regularly can be a great way to unwind and relieve stress in our daily lives. Doing 15-minute stretching can easily relieve your tension. So if you are stressing right now, do stretching. Foot acupressure. It's a simple and effective way to reduce stress. By applying pressure to specific points on your feet, you can activate relaxation responses in your body. One common technique is to use your thumb to massage the center of your foot in circular motions, focusing on the area below the ball of your foot. Another method is to gently squeeze and release different parts of your foot, starting from your toes and working your way down to your heel. You can also roll a tennis ball or massage tool under your feet to stimulate pressure points. These techniques help release tension and promote relaxation throughout your body, making you feel calmer and more at ease. Be alone. Being alone can actually be a helpful way to reduce stress. stress. When we are by ourselves, we have time to unwind and relax without any distractions. It's like pressing the pause button on a busy day. Being alone gives us the chance to focus on our thoughts and feelings, that what was the actual problem and its solution. Whether it's spending time in nature, reading a book, or just sitting quietly, being alone allows us to recharge our batteries and feeling more calm and centered. So don't be afraid to enjoy some me time when you need to de-stress. Meditation. It is a super simple way to calm down and feel less stressed. When you meditate, you sit quietly and focus on your breath or a calming word or a phrase. This helps slow down your racing thoughts and relaxing your body. Plus, meditation teaches you to be more aware of your thoughts and feeling without getting caught up in them. So when stressful stuff happens, you are better at staying cool and not freaking out. Just a few minutes of meditation each day can make a big difference in how you feel, helping you stay calm and centered even when life gets crazy. Exercise. It's like a superhero for beating stress. When you move your body, it releases chemicals in your brain that makes you feel happy and calm. It's like a natural mood booster. Plus, when you are active, your body gets rid of tension, making you feel more relaxed. Whether you are walking, running, or dancing, just a little bit of exercise each day can do wonders for your stress levels. So whenever you are feeling stressed out, get moving and let your body do the rest. Watch favorite content. Watching your favorite content like movies, TV shows, or funny videos can be a great way to reduce stress. When we watch something we enjoy, it takes our minds off of our worries and helps us relax. For example, you can watch the videos of I Can Explain channel to learn something new every week. So grab your popcorn, cozy up on the couch, and enjoy some stress-free entertainment. Write it and burn. My friends, the best way to reduce stress is to write your feelings somewhere in a journal or a paper and then just burn that paper or crush it in the dustbin. Believe me, it really helps to release the stress and feel good at the same time. There is a bonus tip. Share the problem. By sharing your problems to the person who can solve it or can listen to you without judgment can significantly help you to reduce stress and can solve your problem very easily. But if you are having problems with your work, then watching this video can help you. And if you want to know 3 ways to succeed in life, then watch this video on your right. Goodbye.